ocean, meaning what's the limit? Sky's the limit.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's go over a quick example of how you can go and take advantage of what's going on in the markets right now. So let's quickly get to this right now. According to Token Metrics, the current trending tokens in the market right now are, drum roll please, Jito, Opulus, Bonk, and Solana. And I'm not surprised. There's a lot of movement with all of those trending tokens. These are the most trending tokens in the marketplace. The total market cap is sitting at 1.72 trillion with the Bitcoin volume, 24-hour volume, 128.46 billion. Bitcoin sitting at a strong 44,463 and Ethereum at 2,367. Now, the TM Token Metrics Market Indicator. Right now, it's giving us a bullish signal. The bullish signal went off on October 22, 2023. The total crypto market cap at that time was at 1.3 trillion with the bullish signal at 1.3 trillion. Anyone that's been following along with my channel have really been taking advantage of this opportunity. Remember, all this information is for entertainment purposes, not financial advice. But listen, you'd be an idiot not to follow this channel. I know some of my other videos are boring, but when I come out with videos like this, it makes up for all of the nonsense, right? Because if you were in the market and watching my videos back at October, you would have been aware of this hint, because right now the total market cap is up 0.7 trillion. We've gone up over $400 billion or so just in the past few months. So are you guys thinking the train is over? Is everything done? Are you late to the party? Hell to the heck to the no. Right? The bull and the bearish signal. If anyone doesn't know what this is the first time you watch my video, thank you for being here. But this is an analysis of the long-term trend of the market. So it looks at the proportion of coins that are trading above their 60-day exponential moving averages and the ones that are trading below the 60-day exponential moving average, also known as the EMA. And right now we are at a 94% bull to bear. Wow, people are bearish. Just kidding. So the breakout strategy, what does this mean? The percent of bullish versus bearish. So these are the proportionate of coins in the top 300 by market cap. And we use the bullish bearish breakout and the low frequency trend signals. The breakout strategy analyzes how many coins are trading above or below their monthly high and lows. The low frequency trend analyzes how many tokens have a bullish or bearish signal from the Token Metrics low frequency visual trend strategy. And right now our bearish breakout is at 17.3% with a bullish breakout at 82%. And we have a bullish low frequency at 92% with a bearish low frequency at 7.7%. The market is looking quite confident. So the total crypto market cap, what is this? Well, this shows the growth of the altcoin market and Bitcoin's market cap relative to the total crypto market cap growth. And right now we can see that, let's go to the most, all right, as of December, yesterday, the total market cap was 1.7 trillion. The altcoin market cap is at 836 billion with BTC market cap at 52 billion. It's getting there kind of close, right? So you say, well, what does this mean? Well, not too long ago, back in October, the altcoin market cap was just at 65 billion. That's a lot of growth just in the past few months. This is really why everyone's really just been enjoying this run, right? And the opportunities right now. So you can see that things are changing, and you can see here below that, well, at one point, right, there, you know, at one point, where was it? There we go. At one point, the altcoin market cap was more than the Bitcoin market cap, right? And so, but they've been neck to neck. And not too long ago, right, altcoins, Bitcoin, altcoin, right? Yeah, and total. But either way, the total market cap is growing from 1.1 trillion to now at a 1.7 trillion. That is growth. Now, are we in Bitcoin season or are we in altcoin season? So, really, we haven't seen altcoin season kick off yet. Last time we were in altcoin season, that started back in July 12th, 22. Now, that being said, we were in altcoin season for roughly, you can say, that summer, all right? And then it came down, had a nice little bounce, touched it a little bit in September, and then again one more time for the end of September, and then that was that, right? And then this, as we are aware of just the bear run, right? The beginning of the bear run. Now, starting just this past year in 2023, January, right? So we are clearly in Bitcoin season according to this graph, right? So this is an indicator that compares the cumulative returns of altcoins relative to Bitcoin and to identify whether we are in Bitcoin or altcoin season. So just in the past few months, okay, you can say, well, we've been going back and forth, right? We've been going back and forth. We were thinking we were going to hit altcoin season in September going into the fall, right? We were getting right there, but then we had nice resistance top and it came back down, okay? So, but we are now out of Bitcoin season, approaching altcoin season. Now, so you can say, well, when is the best time to get into altcoins, right? You would probably think, well, maybe the best time is when we start to exit Bitcoin season. We couldn't really wait until we were in the green. Last time we were in the green, and that happened, okay, back in 2022. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can say, you can wait until then, and you still had a nice, decent, run, right? From July 24th, August 18th, maybe August 24th, 25th. So that's full 30 days. So maybe a 30-day cycle, right? 1 month or so. Or if you would have got in here when we were exiting Bitcoin season, right, on July 11th, now you could have gotten in maybe at some better entry levels, right? But the problem with that is the time horizon, right? So your time horizon would be a lot longer. So you got to keep that in mind. So you got to use these indicators to, to the best of your own ability, and always remember to ask, what is your time horizon in the market? And then so as we look at the annualized historical volatility, this looks kind of crazy, right? For anybody that's new to just, looking at market data, this is a lot. So what does this even mean? So this is a crypto volatility index that shows the historical volatility of the crypto market page and its estimated historical range. And so going back to 2021 till today, you can see that, well, all right, we peaked here, okay, in November 10th, 2020. The market cap at that time was around 2.9 trillion. The historical average daily volatility was at 0.52. The 90th percentile historical daily volatility at 97, and the 10th percentile at 0.22. So that was really the range that was going back and forth before it essentially just kind of broke out of this, the historical daily volatility. And so you can say, well, what happens when the volatility increases? Well, when we have more volatility coming in, all right, maybe that might give us a good early signal of, a turnaround, right? Or the peak of the market. But then again, November, right, volatility was completely down. All right, volatility was down or so, and it started to increase, but at the same time, really, like, this was just a consistent of just staying range bound, just really not any one day being bigger than another, right? Maybe besides here around May 4th, 2022, this may have been around the SBF nonsense or so. I would have to go back and double check, but that might be it around that time frame with all of that nonsense, right? And then we see volatility increase, really, and then so it's just been consistent. Now, right now, we are closer to the well, we were closer to the historical average daily volatility, really closer to the 10th percentile, right? So we were just really above, not too far from the 10th percentile area. And then so, but as the market cap is increasing here, we're seeing the volatility increase, right? So since you can say, well, since September, volatility has been increasing, right? And that really goes and correlates to the total market cap as well. You can see the market cap increasing, and you can see these spikes, these peaks for volatility getting larger and larger as well. So that's letting us know that, well, look, right over here, when volatility was getting larger and larger and larger, right, that led us to two of the breakouts where we topped out, okay, in November, right? So here is letting us know, hey, we still have some room. People were holding on, and really that wasn't until we started peaking and we had the reversal, right? And then the volatility started to increase because, well, people were starting to exit their positions, right? So that's where we get volatility. So volatility doesn't mean, it's going up or it's going down. It's just letting us know that more and more traders are active in the market, right? There's more and more trading going on. And then we just kind of can see how that correlates to other data sets. And so with this is the sector analysis. We're not going to go over this right now, but quickly you can see the Web3 sector, metaverse, yield farming, NFT, entertainment, and gaming. The average price change or so, top sector gainer. If we were to do that, well, it looks like infrastructure is the top sector gainer, then yield farming, DeFi, layer one. Gaming's doing well, but not as high as, well, yield farming, number of sector gainers to losers, right? So this is a lot of other data, right? This is our worst 20 daily performers and then the top 20 daily performers. And then so the data that this is pulling from really is off of so many different coins, some tokens. Some of these I don't even know, right? But some of them I do know. And so you can just kind of just gauge a little bit to what's going on in the market, but you can see that there's daily gains of 40, 30, 20% going on still, okay? And but when there's gainers, there's losers as well, right? And some of these, really some of the better performers are starting to see their reversals, right? Where Ordi and Ordinals had such a great run, so it needed to pull back and cool off a little bit. So I'm actually happy to see this, down 8.92%. I mean, but Ordinals had like a crazy run. So to go down 892 right now is really healthy. For the worst performers, the top being at 9.18%, I really like that. That's just going to tell me, hey, look, there's still room for growth. Some people are taking profits, but at the same time, the majority of the new money coming into the marketplace are holding, right? Because really, for the amount that it has increased and to only pull back just really, no more than 9%, totality of all of these tokens right now in the market is really just a healthy outlook on everything. And so let's continue to move forward. And then so, like, again, the most trending tokens right now, right here on the top, Solana, Bonk. If anyone doesn't know what Bonk is like the meme coin for Solana. It's really similar to like Doge or Pepe and tokens like that. There's really just a fun token, creating its own narrative, its own story. And it's something fun, right? It's not something you would allocate all of your capital to, but if you wanted to just like do a lottery ticket run, and this may be one of them. I have some Bonk myself. I'm going to be completely transparent with you. So I just purchased about $100 or so of Bonk not too long ago and added some more LP on Radium. So, but look, right now, the token metrics trader grade is at 95%, which is a strong buy. I mean, you can see anyone right here, if you've been paying attention, October 26th, the bullish indicator went off. If you've been here following in this channel, you would have been aware of that move. Let me show you. Let's go back to October 26th, and we're going to see what type of gains you missed out on. So let's go to October 26th, right? That's when the bullish indicator went off to right now, 2,112%. That's why you want to be part of Token Metrics. That's why you want to be on this platform. That's how I find these moves. Now you can go ahead and get Token Metrics for yourself, or you can just follow along, subscribe to my channel, and I'll start making more videos like this. If you like this video, if you like what I'm doing right now and you find this valuable, please like the video, watch it, watch the entirety of this video, and maybe even comment if I have comments open. I need to know if this is what you guys like. This is what I like. This is how I do my analysis, but I didn't know if this was just too boring for all of you. So let me know. This is it. I'm going to cut it here. We already went long enough. Stay tuned. Come back again tomorrow. We're going to do another video, some more, opportunities. Remember, this is for entertainment purposes, and this is basically me sharing what I'm doing, what I'm involved in. And so you guys know I'm not pulling your leg. I'm going to show you right now here on Raydium on the next video that I have coming out of how you can go ahead and get those trending tokens that I was talking about. You can see my liquidity right here, Ray USD and Bonk USDC. You can see boom, 100 USDC right there. Guys, I'm just being honest, right? I'm being transparent. I'm letting you guys know what I'm doing. So thank you for stopping by. This is W3MCT. I'm Simon. Let's go ahead and enhance your future. We're delivering the future, and we're leveling up at the same time.